Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best microdermabrasion devices that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Microderm Glow Microdermabrasion. The Microderm Glow is created by award-winning dermatologists. It is an easy-to-use and clinically proven device. It comes with 2 interchangeable tips. One is the premium blackhead remover suction tip, and the other is the fine blackhead remover suction tip. The kit also includes a cleansing brush and 20 filter replacement packs. It helps to unclog and clean pores and to minimize their sizes. This tool also helps to rebuild collagen and elastin and minimizes the appearance of wrinkles. In addition, it offers medical-grade diamond exfoliation and makes your skin tight and healthy. Moving on at number 4, we have Spa Science's Mio Diamond. If you want to try microdermabrasion for the sole purpose of treating clogged pores, you need to try this resurfacing tool. This rechargeable microdermabrasion device by Spa Sciences is perfect for skin rejuvenation. It effectively improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The kit includes a rejuvenating tip to remove dead skin cells and rough patches. The extraction tips, available in different sizes, detoxify pores on the chin, cheeks, and forehead. It also includes a USB rechargeable battery which makes this device travel-friendly. In addition, it has 5 speed settings so that you can customize the treatment according to your convenience. At number 3, we have Neutrogena System Starter Kit. If you are a beginner on a budget, this microdermabrasion kit by Neutrogena is the best in the market. The kit includes a microdermabrasion applicator and 12 rejuvenation single-use puffs. Each puff is pre-dosed with ultra-fine crystals. The applicator uses micro-vibrations to boost skin renewal, leading to firmer, brighter, and healthier-looking skin over time. Use it thrice a week to see a noticeable improvement in your skin. This video will provide you with added insights about the product. At number 2, we have NewDermo Diamond Machine. This at-home microdermabrasion machine by NewDermo diminishes scars, pores, blackheads, and wrinkles. It comes with 5 replacement tips. Diamond tip to exfoliate the delicate facial areas and promote cell regeneration. Fine diamond tip to exfoliate small areas of the face like nose and mouth. Large suction tip to unclog pores, remove excess oil, impurities, and blackheads. Small suction tip to remove a small amount of oil and impurities. And elliptical suction tip to massage and lift your skin. Its one-button design has 3 adjustable suction levels. And finally at number 1, PMD Personal Microderm Classic. The Personal Microderm Classic reveals your vibrant and radiant complexion through an easy series of treatments. Instead of a conventional diamond-tipped style handset, this design features spinning discs with calibrated vacuum suction. There are 2 caps, one meant for facials, and the other is the larger one designed for your body. Weekly treatments efficiently reduce fine lines, wrinkles, blemishes, and pores. If you're new to microdermabrasion, this one by PMD is the one you should go for. It shows results in about 8 to 12 weeks. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.